All right. Once you have finished your narrative, all right, you are ready to move on to the segment one exam. This is important. It's worth a lot of points. I know we aren't halfway through the semester yet, but kind of think of this as your like midterm exam. Okay. It's important, so make sure that you take your time. All right. I do think I have it that you need to go through the lesson, which basically just tells you to review your notes. But I'm pretty sure you have to be on that 10 minutes before you um, move on to actually take the test. All right. When you are ready to take it, all right, you will just go to the segment one exam. You will click start. All right, and then you will go through it. Most of the questions, there are 30 questions. Most of them are multiple choice. I think you have one or two short answer. Please don't skip those. All right, you're losing a lot of points if you don't reply at all. Okay, so make sure that you don't skip those. If you want to do it a portion at a time, just click save and exit. All right, and when you are totally finished, click submit all answers. Okay, again, this is important. It's worth a lot of points. It's kind of like your midterm exam. All right, so please make sure that you take your time with it. All right, worth a lot of points, and that's your segment one exam. Your segment two exam um, is basically your final exam that comes at the end. Okay.